The advisor to the Lieutenant Governor and the Chairman of the State Disaster Management Authority, UT Ladakh, Dr. Pawan Kotwal, chaired a significant meeting regarding the preparedness for dealing with possible glacial lake outburst flow and floods due to cloudburst hazards in the Union Territory of Ladakh at the Civil Secretariat Leh. The meeting focused on comprehensive deliberations and discussions regarding vulnerable areas prone to floods due to cloudbursts affecting lakes in Ladakh. As per the direction of the Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, all faculty members from various science departments of the Leh campus attended an interactive meeting with Professor Trevor D. Price from the University of Chicago's Department of Ecology and Evolution. Professor Price is also a visiting professor at the University of Ladakh. The meeting took place in the HVC's office on campus and was coordinated by Dr. Mohammad Hussain, Dean Science University of Ladakh. The meeting began with a formal introduction of Professor Price and the attending faculty members by Dr. Mohammad Hussain. During the meeting, faculty members shared their research work and domains with Professor Price, leading to an engaging and productive dialogue. Ladakh contractual teachers appointed under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan by the Education Department Kargil gathered at Gandhi Park, Kargil to protest the non-payment of their salaries for the past 4 months. The teachers who are facing significant financial hardships demanded immediate action for the release of their pending payments. During the protest, a teacher, while talking to media, said that they have repeatedly approached the Chief Executive Councillor of LHDC Kargil, the Deputy Commissioner of Kargil, Director Education UT Ladakh, and the Chief Education Officer of Kargil, but there is no any resolution. Chief Education Officer Kargil, S.T. Namgyal, reached the venue and addressed the protesting teachers, explaining that the Director of Education and the Accounts Officer at the Education Directorate are currently in Delhi working to resolve the issue. A team of Niti Aayog headed by Program Director Major General K. Narayanan AVSM SM launched the Sampurnata Abhiyan in the inspirational block of Rupsho. The event was launched in presence of Mission Director Atal Innovation Mission Dr. Chintan Vaishnav, Consultant Grade 1, Law and Security Major Sadhna Singh, Young Professional, State Nodal for Ladakh Dr. Darpajit Sengupta, Deputy Commissioner Leh Santosh Sukhdev, Councillor of Korzoks Karma Namtak and others. The Department of Finance UT Ladakh, through its Ladakh Integrated Financial Management System section, conducted a comprehensive hands-on training session on the newly upgraded LIFM system. The training was specifically designed for the Department of Youth Service and Sports and the Department of Information and Public Relations. SDM Dras Vishal Atri chaired a meeting regarding the preparations for the upcoming Muharram and directed the concerned officers to provide uninterrupted facilities. During the meeting, directions were passed to all concerned departments to provide the best possible services during Muharram. Awareness cum psychiatry camp under National Mental Health Program was conducted on at Community Health Center Padum Zanskar. District Mental Health Officer Kargil Dr. Fatima Nissa along with the team interacted with Block Medical Officer Zanskar Dr. Navang Chostan and medical staff. On the occasion of World Population Day, Diet Leh in collaboration with NCRT organized an essay competition themed Growing Up Healthy, Personal Safety, Power of Gender Equality and Global Population Issues and their Impact on Sustainable Development.